SurveyMonkey tutorial. First, open the SurveyMonkey website, and if you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Now log into your account, and you will see a Create Survey button on the top bar. Click on it, and choose a template you'd like. On our example, we're going to use a working from home check-in template. Once you're okay with the preview, just click Use this template. Now it's time for you to edit the contents of your survey. Edit it based on your variables, and once you're done, click the Preview Survey. On the upper left of your screen, review the contents of your survey and check if it is ready to be distributed to your target audience. Click on Collect Response. Now go to Send Surveys Your Way, and you will choose how you would like to collect responses to your survey. In our example, we'll choose the survey link for easier distribution of survey questionnaires. Just copy the link and send it to your target audiences. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.